Munini wa ngavana kaundini ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi niwakulya seneti kalata na kuvitukithya mutalatala wa kunenga unene na budget uvisi wa Anini Mangavana nokana kusyiiya mwingi ula uendeeye ukusiiwa katikakati wa Mangavana na Anini nthini wa kaundi kivathukan'yo. Mwangangi na ula pamwe na Anini angikauta Mangavana mevikite mbee wa nzama ya seneti ya maundu ma serikali cia mutuuko niwetakana kaundi mbingi sina mathina na venda vata uvisi wa Munini wa ngavana ukekiwa vinya yake mea wa kwisila budget yeyunga tanzia imwe ya kuikithya serikali cia kaundi ina tuika kiwanza cha ngusanisyo cia kiutongoi. Benjamin Mwaka na mauvo.
We are requesting the deputy governor
Mwangangi nolani mukuni wa mutalisa ngwatanio ni Anini Mangavana nthini wa tongoi cia Anini ama Mangavana kuma kaundi ningi kutetea vata wa tongoi wa Anini Mangavana kunengwa vinya no alumilelia kaundi mbingi sina mathina na muno uthukumini wa Mangavana na Anini mo.
I've whipped them to be here. And that's why they are in large numbers. And there are problems, Chair. Over 90%, when you hear out of 47 counties, around 5 are only ones who are working well. There is a problem and there is need for this passage of this bill. So, Chair and Honorable Senators, please move as soon as practically possible to enact this so that we can strengthen devolution.
Mwangangi inawaweta wailu uvisi wa Munini wa ngavana kunengwa budget ni munene na nuutetesya kwa ili uthukumi wa county.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker, Senate, for this bill. What Senate will do about this bill will cure even at what is happening at national level. At one point, we saw a case where the then Deputy President, the current head of state, was going to represent the then president in a forum at West Africa. And instead of being accorded how he was supposed to travel, it was quoted. The deputy president even used economy class to ensure he traveled to that meeting. And in our committee of the administration and national security, that matter came up. And the Honorable Chair, you are there. Senator Tobiko was there. And it brought a lot of issues. So this bill is going to cure some of those things as an example.
Ingi kuangaliko yake nwakathi ya ngwatanio ya kiuthukumi ila withitwe nayo ena gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu vinya ndeti aiweta ngwatanio yene etumite utongoi kaundini ya Masaku waila.
What I want to say, working with the governor wa vinya ndeti, Chair, I must say we in Machakos we are working well. The deputy governor has a budget. Currently, governor is out of the country, and officially, I'm the one. Through our directives, although it is constitutional, I am the one running the show for the next 2-3 weeks. But there are things obviously I can't do.
Mutalatala uvikitwe mbee wa senate ni senator wa kaunti ya Meru Kathuri Mulungi nokana kutangi ya ngwatanio ya kiuthukumi katetwa magavana na Anini mo ila miakani ya oyumitukithya kwanangika kaunti mbingi.
But ideally, if you ask most of the deputy governors, they do not want to be appointed as a CEC because you are supposed to be at a higher level to supervise, not to be a CEC. The issues at hand is about dignifying the office.
So we understand the situation. So let's now talk about the issues, who works best and who, let's not talk about who works best and who doesn't. Let's now say what can we do to improve this thing.
I want to assure the deputy governors that let us try the much we can as the Senate. And we have a very sober Senate this time. We'll be able to look at all the issues here and when it gets to the House, the second reading, so that we can at least save our county governments.
Vilengo wa mauvo kumava bungeni ya senate ni musino ilovi nito Benjamin Mwaka.